Now that I have a digital copy of the customer's notice and have reviewed the letter for specific details, I am going to complete the termination request form. I am clicking on the field for termination reason. I am using the arrows to scroll through the choices. I know that each termination reason in pause is correlated with a reason in pivotal. I want to make sure my choice is the general idea mentioned in the customer's written notice. I need to be careful and select the appropriate reason because choosing certain reasons will trigger additional steps that do not apply to my customer. I have 15 pages of possible selections with unique titles and functions. Some titles look very similar, yet they perform completely different operations in Titan. For this customer, I am comparing the effect of a full cancellation and a project status changed canceled. I know that a full cancellation cancels the booking out of Titan. If I cancel a booking, it erases the entire agreement from the start date of the booking as if it did not take effect. I want to terminate this long-term booking and keep a record in Titan of the terms and duration of the agreement. I should not be performing a full cancellation. If the customer does not provide much reasoning, I can select a standard reason for termination. That would be the project status has changed. I am comparing canceled and finished with the option to classify either of them as mid-term. I know if a project is canceled or finished, then a customer will only use the office through the remainder of the full term of the agreement. That means whether a project is canceled or finished, selecting mid-term indicates Regis has agreed to terminate the customer agreement somewhere in the middle of the full term. I will only select a mid-term project status change if 1. I have received proper approval to process an early release. 2. I have negotiated a buyout fee with the customer. 3. I have all documentation completed and signed by the customer. I am recalling the customer's letter clearly states the end date of the agreement will mark the date the project is finished. I am selecting project status changed. Project finished.